Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be checking out another demo. This time it's Guns and Goblin. So it's an incremental FPS Horde survival game. Okay, first let's check the options. That's all the options we have. You know what? I only have like 100 hertz. Let's cap the FPS to 100, I guess. Pixelation. You know what? That's good enough. Pixelation. Okay, let's start. As always, if you want to try the demo for yourself, the link is in the description. You walk through the defenseless gate as where draw reach behind you. This is your first day as a bell ringer. You must hold the fort. Okay, that's the drawbridge. Where's the bell? Let our bones be shattered, the bell shall never fall. Is this the bell? Offer blood to the steel. Oh, I have a sword now. I mean a dagger. More like a freaking dagger. Bastion leveled 0. Take this and shoot the bell. Got a gun. Got a 1911. Gonna repair this thing. I don't have any gold. Shoot the bell? Oh, I see. So that's how we call the waves. Do we have a reload? Do we have a right click? Yes, we're gonna be the Goblin Slayer. Do we get like more ammo? Oh, that's a lot of Goblin. Do we get like upgrades for the gun? Get a level up. Oh, these are different. This is a different Goblin amount of ammo. Wave 4, let's see. I just want my gold before we freaking die. I don't have a lot of HP. One HP left. Oh, we get freaking tired with the melee weapon. There's like a tiredness level. This is my best offer. A 100 gold for the next weapon. Level up. Increase the max health. Increase damage by 25%. So that's the stat. Increase crit chance. Increase the dagger swing speed. And weapon reload. Chance for XP explosion. We're gonna get agility first, I guess. And increase damage by 50%. We also have skills. We have gold. 100 gold. Upgrade magazine size equip. What is only 2 gold? Give me that. Let's see what else we can buy. Forge. Weapon upgrade. You know what? Let me upgrade the freaking knife. Knife first and then the handgun. What is this? Not available in the demo. So it's a sand weapon. What else can we upgrade? Well, Bastion, level up all buildings 10% HP. But the freaking flag gives you HP. What else can we upgrade? Yeah, let's just ring the bell. We need to get more gold. We already wasted ammo. We don't have like aim down sight. Okay, this one they do drop ammo. I think no. That was up. Okay, we got +2 ammo from the gun for the gun. Okay, at least we can one hit this thing. Oh no. Don't you dare attack the bell. Okay, I have the blue crystal and the gold crystal. Oh. They do give ammo. So I guess these are worth it. Good for me to shoot. Oh, those are upgrades, I see. How do we get the skill points? I think we should get more HP. We're not gonna last that long. What are those? Okay, it's a very tanky monster. But I killed it. Okay, we're gonna unload all of the ammo that we have. I think this is where we freaking die. I'm gonna let... Okay. We have skill points. Max HP, deadliness, crit chance. Got magnetism and greed. I think greed will help me level up faster. So we have skills, athletics, unlock sprint. Health slowly regen over time. So that's regen. Marksman unlock aiming mode. Increase crit damage from 150 to 200. Max rank is apprentice for the demo. Unlock shockwave. Long range kills give double coin. Attract all coins slowly towards you. You know what? That might be freaking good. At least we get all the coins. How much money? We have 69 money. Nice. Should I save for the next weapon? Or we just upgrade our weapon? We can do that. I wanna upgrade the dagger. One more. I wanna one hit. Oh wait, I think we can upgrade this thing right here. Okay, that was useless. Increase max call bell HP. Oh, it's HP for the bell. Is there anyone here that we can talk to that gives us upgrade? We're gonna upgrade the gun. It's 20 gold. Ammo is 16. There's really nothing else we can upgrade here. Okay, let's see if we can one-hit them with the dagger. Yes, we can one-hit. We can one-hit the wave 1 enemies. That's pretty good. Then the wave 3. I wanna save ammo. For the higher waves. Oh, I didn't see the last one. I think this is the wave with the big monster. Let me just unload one mug. Oh, I can just one hit this guys? Nice, another level up. I should have health regen next. That way we can last longer. Oh, it's the Trent. At least we get the XP right away. I wish we can see what wave we are right now. Never mind, they are very tanky. I'm gonna let the bell tank it. That bell has a lot more HP than I have. God damn it. Okay, at least we survive. We got 3 points. I'm gonna put 1 on everything. Get max HP. I think we should get like more damage. Oh, never mind. It costs 2 points. Let's get health regen. Oh, this one is new. Hire a new worker? Can build a bridge. Okay, what do you do? Buy a fireball. Oh, let me guess that. I think that's a consumable fireball, right? What is this? Drop coins? Luck for the demo. Of course, it is luck in the demo. Okay, what? Kill monster with a dagger to get pistol ammo. Shoot the bell multiple times to call several wave at once. Wait, we can do that? Click middle mouse button to activate auto fire. We are out of freaking money. Oh wait, there's build a mine? You mean landmine? There, landmine. There's a gate right here. Let's call like 3 waves at once. I'm gonna try. We should save like 100. I need to rest my dagger. That's why we're shooting. Either way, we have a lot. Okay, they're dead. I wish I have aim down sight. That's a lot of enemies. Oh yeah, we do have 40 HP now. So we can tank a bit. Oh, that's the fireball. Is it on cooldown? I think the fireball is just on cooldown. I should have used it earlier. I thought the fireball was a consumable. I really thought the fireball was a consumable. Can we buy like more fireballs? Oh, it's frogs? That's another level up. Oh, we should buy more fireballs. Oh, we're gonna buy the next gun. We have enough money for the next gun. I think I should fireball this thing early. Lame for... What the hell is this thing? I did not see that. Okay, we're gonna buy the next gun. Did I kill the dude? I killed the freaking dude. I guess we're not gonna buy anything. More the. I did not mean to do that. I didn't mean to freaking kill the dude. You know what? Let's upgrade the dagger. Hopefully we can still revive that freaking dude. Got 69 money. That's all the money we have. So all buildings 10%. Summon a skeleton. Not available in the demo. What about this guy? Oh, you're back. I should have just jumped on the water. I want to know if we can buy more fireball. Yes. That's what we're gonna buy next. Got a red gun right now. Nice, they're just money. We should have like more damage right now. I don't care, we take some damage, we have regen. That's why we have health regen. I miss. I really need to aim my fireball. That's the problem, we don't have like the stamina. I need aim mode. Okay, at least we hit something. I wish we have piercing for the gun. Oh, these are different. These are different goblins. Or it's the frogs. Dead frogs. Or we can just one-hit them with a fireball. We really need the aim mode. Wave 10. Is there a boss at wave 10? No, there's just a lot of freaking enemies. They are tanky. They're out of ammo. Oh, good. It's nice. There's still a lot of them. And I don't have ammo. Oh my god, they're overflowing the bridge. I'm gonna let the bell tank. It's not gonna tank for long. What are those? Oh, we're dead. I think that's wave 10. Okay, press E. Ooh, we got an AR. Marksman mode. That way we can freaking aim. You know what? Just more freaking damage. 3 coins. More damage. I don't care about magnetism. You know what? More XP. That way we can level up faster. Oh, that's the magazine size, I see. We're gonna stop at 100. Okay, let's buy some upgrades for this gun. It's 50 right away. Maybe some traps. Landmine for 10. That's nice. Another landmine. A gate. Okay, close it behind me. Nice, level up. I wish we have like more stamina. Like how do we get like more stamina? I cannot swing the dagger all the time. Wait, there's a bridge here? What is that? Oh, it gives me bullets? I didn't know it gives me bullet. I think it gives me rifle bullet. Oh nice, it auto close. You just shoot through the gates. Oh, this is freaking good. Okay, at least the gate are automatic. Stupid frogs. I should buy all of the landmine next. Wait, they can jump? They can jump through the freaking gate. You know what? I forgot. I forgot about the fireball. I forgot that we have fireballs. Are they flying upwards? They can fly? Oh my god, that's a lot of freaking gold. Got 700 gold. Don't want to melee these enemies. I think they hit the landmine. Okay, when we get back to the town, we're gonna buy all of the freaking upgrades. I mean, for the defense. We're still here. Really? Oh my god, that's a lot of freaking enemies. Final wave. I didn't know there's a freaking final wave. Oh my god, that's a lot of freaking enemies. Okay, first thing first. Can we get more damage? And then more unlock sprint. Shockwave capacity. Yeah, give me a shockwave capacity. I don't know what. Oh, it's Q. Oh, that's what it does. Yes, build a landmine here. Upgrade grid. Oh, we can upgrade that? Build a landmine. Build. Freaking gate. Okay, that's a really good gate. What else? Wait, why is there money here? Oh yeah, let's buy fireball. It's cheap anyway. And we're almost out of money. What is this? Not available in the demo. Is there anything else that we can upgrade? Oh, I think that's the prestige. Ascent is prestige. I think we can only upgrade Let's see if we can buy something for the gun. No, it's expensive. About damage. Wait, did I kill the guy here? I think I killed the guy right here. Yep, he's dead. I think he died from the shockwave. Oh, that's a shockwave. Okay, we're just gonna use our fireball. Either way, we're gonna have like 4 of them. I think we're gonna last longer this time. Let me tank. Let me tank them. Oh, it's the frogs. Goodbye, frogs. We really need to save our fireballs for the bigger waves. I think wave like 10. I remember the frogs. They can jump over. Sometimes therapy is stealing crusade. Oh, ammo. I'm saving ammo for my rifle. I should really just melee these guys. That way we can save ammo. Did they hit the landmine? I think they freaking hit the landmine. God damn it. They hit the freaking landmine. We're gonna save the rifle for the last wave. Oh, these guys are slow. Let me just kill them with my dagger. The shockwave is very useful. I didn't notice the HP. Okay, let's get some HP. Dagger swing speed. Long range kills gives double coin. Yeah, why not? Need rifle ammo. Shoot my children in the battlefield. Okay, let's buy more fireballs. We have 5 fireballs. I think we should upgrade the gun. The normal handgun more. Because it deals more freaking damage. Okay, we only have like 100. That's for the bell. You know what? Let's upgrade this gate first. And then the bell. You know what? We have 60 health. We can tank. We can tank a bit. I didn't even use the rifle from that round last time because we just died. You know what? I'm gonna let the gate tank it. Oh my god, the rifle rounds. I really should upgrade the magazine of this gun. Let me just get close. That's perfect. Should save ammo. I wish there's an upgrade to get like more ammo from the pixie. What the hell? Oh my god, that was stupid. We have 2 points. Crit chance. I don't care about magnetism. Okay, what else can we upgrade? What about the gate? Is this at max already? 500. Okay, open the goddamn gate. That's a level 9 dagger, by the way. No! God damn it. They triggered the landmine. Yeah, we're gonna go John Wick on them. I should really start shooting the freaking pixie. Not just one fireball. Maybe two. 3. Where did you come from? Oh, we can just one hit them. I think my pistol is a lot stronger than my rifle. At least right now. Let me reload. They are climbing the gates. That's the final wave. Did we win? Oh, there's a boss. I didn't expect to have a freaking boss. I think they broke the first gate. Okay. I missed my fireball. He's attacking my tower directly? That's a landmine. What the hell happened? We need to upgrade the guns. There's no way we can survive this. I do not have enough health. Okay. That was a good run. We have sprint now. More damage, of course. How much is... No, let's upgrade the guns first. Definitely more ammo for the... No, not ammo. That's 400 for the next upgrade. What about the dagger right here? Okay, they're already level 9. Okay, we're out of money. Can we upgrade? That's 500. You know what? Just a wave 5. We need to save like all of our ammo for the boss. We should also save the landmine from exploding. Yeah, these frogs, they can jump over the freaking gate. They might trigger the landmine. No, so I'm just gonna wait until we see the speedy enemy. If I remember, there's like a red enemy. There we go. This one. I think the shockwave pretty much kills them instantly. Reload. No, not the landmine. Not the landmine. I'm gonna let the gate. I'm gonna let the gate tank. I'm gonna unload all my rifle ammo on this guy. Oh my god, he does spawn more. Wait, the landmine killed me? I think the freaking landmine killed me. It's gotta be the freaking... Wait. We have a max coin in the freaking demo. Okay, we max the... This is max. This is also max. Got nothing else to upgrade. Oh yeah, the fireball. Can also get more fireball. That's 500. Max 10. You know what? I'm just gonna let them to get close. I need all my ammo for the boss. God damn it, wrong button. They're just stupid frogs. It's not a problem. Oh, these guys. One fireball. Why is the fairies not spawning? Did I got? Okay, we got all of them. We need to be ammo efficient. What the frogs? We can just tank the frogs. We need to shoot them. Also the Trents. They're freaking slow. Oh my god, we died from fall damage. That was stupid. Can we get more ammo? I know that's freaking crazy to call all of them at once. Yes, hydrate. Wait, is this wave 10 right away? I think one of them fell down. I think that's the landmine. I think the landmine got them. Okay, wave 14. Just stupid frogs. Okay, we really need to save our ammo. Oh, boss, boss is here. I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna unload all of my pistol rounds. Because my handgun is a level 10. If I can just kill this fast enough. We did it. We freaking did it. Dragon is dead. I think that's the end of the demo. You survived the call. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna end it right here. This is Guns and Goblins. If you want to try the demo for yourself, the link is in the description. So like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye, guys. GG.